Hi Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection Energy Reading with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot for the month of January 2021. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Before we get into the reading, for more Twin Flame guidance and reading, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell next to it so you don't miss out any of my future updates. For the 2021 prediction of your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection Energy Reading, I will leave the link down below in the description box. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay, Scorpio, so let's look at into the energy for you and your person on your Twin Flame and Soulmate journey for the month of January 2021. Scorpio, please know that this is a collective and general energy reading. Therefore, it may or may not resonate with every single one of you here, Scorpio. If the message does not resonate with you, please consider checking your moon, your rising, or your Venus sign. And if the message does resonate with you, Scorpio, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, as well as leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month. Alright, Scorpio, so let's look at into your reading here. On this side will be your energy here, Scorpio, and on this side will be your person energy here. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa here. Now, looking at the sign that I'm getting for you here, Scorpio, I'm getting Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. I'm getting a sign Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini. I'm also getting water sign Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. And there is also fire sign here. All signs are coming up here: Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. So you could be dealing with any of those signs, or you could have any of those signs strongly in your chart here, Scorpio. Now, looking at your energy here, I've got the Hangman, I've got the King of Swords, the Judgment, and the overall energy that I've got for you here, Scorpio, is the Ten of Wands. So the main thing that I'm getting for you here, Scorpio, is that you have recently walked away from something. So this could be this twin flame or soulmate connection, or this could also be a karmic connection that you might have recently walked away from here, Scorpio, because I'm getting a very strong walking away from something, because this situation, this particular situation that has been draining you or making you feeling overwhelmed, that just it's like you are, as if you are carrying the weight of the world in your shoulder here, Scorpio. So you finally have decided, okay, there is no more here, I cannot take any of this here, and you just walking away from this whole situation here. So some of you definitely feeling a little bit sad, definitely feeling that emptiness or void within yourself here, Scorpio. But at the same time here, you're also feeling relief. There is a very strong relief energy coming up here as well, especially with this Hierophant energy coming up here. I feel like this particular decision that you have recently taken here to walk away from whatever situation that is weighing you down here, this is going to create a new beginning for you. This is like the first step that you are taking towards this new journey that is about to come towards you here, Scorpio. I do feel like this is like a part of you taking a leap of faith as well here, Scorpio. And to what are you taking the leap of faith here? With this Hierophant energy, a very strong awakening energy. Like this is the first step of the massive transformation and spiritual journey and spiritual awakening that is about to come into your life here, Scorpio here. So another thing that I'm getting for you here with this Hangman and the Judgment card coming up here, the color green is coming up very strongly in your reading. So I will definitely suggest you to do some guided meditation and guided healing on your heart chakra. I'm also going to leave the link in the description box as well onto the collective healing that I've done last full moon. So in the month of January 2021, the main thing that you need to focus on here, Scorpio, is that healing your heart chakra. This is coming up really strongly. This is also going to help you surrendering yourself into the outcome, releasing all the expectation, and basically giving you the faith, giving you the boost of faith here, knowing that everything at this point of time is currently going through based by divine energy, and a divine intervention is going to come towards you very strongly here. So like I said, this decision that you have taken here is going to create a massive a massive impact and a massive transformational energy, a positive energy that is going to come into your life here, Scorpio. And another good thing that I'm getting for you here, Scorpio, is that this King of Swords energy. Now the King of Swords energy is definitely a good energy because you have come to this particular point and period of your life here that you're no longer going to tolerate any crap, you are no longer going to tolerate any BS here, and you basically have come to that particular point in your life here that you are going to express yourself. It is what it is. That kind of energy is what I'm getting strongly from you here, Scorpio. So you're no longer going to hold yourself, you are no longer going to hold your emotion here. So you're going to find a healthy and positive way here on how to express yourself here, Scorpio. Now looking at your person energy here, I've got the battle wagon or the chariot, I've got the Six of Swords, and I've got the Star card coming up here. This is also a very good energy because as you can see here with this chariot and the Six of Swords energy coming up here, this is like a very strong two moving energy coming up here. So for some of you here, Scorpio, I do feel like there is a distance between you and your divine counterpart and your soulmate or twin flame here. So for those of you who are currently in a separation but there is a physical distance between both of you here, your person is going to come towards you literally to close up the distance between both of you. But again, this distance does not necessarily have to be a physical distance. This is also could be an emotional distance between both of you here, Scorpio. But the main energy that I'm getting here is that they're going to come towards you, closing up the distance between both of you here, be it physically or even like emotionally. So there will be no more distance between both of you here. And another good thing that I've got here is that with this star energy, they are going to come back as a changed person. So this star card here is a very strong healing energy. As you can see here, the star is shining really bright. So all these prayers and all this meditation and all this, all your prayers basically have been answered. So every time you've been thinking, okay, my person needs to change here because they need to go through all this healing. So those are no longer just a wish energy because your person is going to come back as a totally changed, as a totally new, like a completely new person here, Scorpio. You might not even recognize them. And when I mean like a new person here, this is like from their emotion. So I do feel like some of you here, your person could be someone who does not really necessarily have to or can do well with the emotion. So you could be dealing with someone who, what they do here is they're running away from the emotion, keep on running away from the emotion. They do not want to they do not want to react, they do not want to get confronted. So all they do here is that running away from the emotion. So this is like the major shift or the major healing that is going to happen within themselves here, that they're basically no longer going to be running away from all the emotion here, Scorpio. And this is also, I've got the Eight of Wands energy, another positive card here, because the overall energy within your person here is that they are no longer going to hold themselves back here. They're just going to like a rapid fire, I would say here. Things are going to be taken off between both of you here, like a rocket energy here, like a very strong and fast movement energy that is going to happen in your life here, Scorpio. So let's pull the advice card for you and see what we can get. So the advice that I've got for you here is that possibility. Raise your standard, elevate your expectation, you have unlimited potential. I've got action coming up here. Now is the perfect time to act. Take inspire action towards your dream. Move forward with confidence. This is exactly what your person is going to do here. Like they are no longer going to hold off any longer. They're like definitely going to coming towards you like a rocket, I would say here. Coming towards you like a rocket, closing up the distance between both of you here, Scorpio. And this is also another advice for you here, Scorpio, that you have unlimited potential, and it's basically your time to raise your standard. Like again, you need to understand where your boundaries are, and you need to express yourself in a positive way, and as well as do not let anyone to come across your boundaries as well. Alright, so that's it for your January 2021 reading. I hope the message resonates. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the comment section as well. I'll see you in my next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.